Professor P.K. Singla to you all for this session. He will be taking today's session on ethics, values, health and happiness. He was supposed to take this session at 2:30 p.m. tomorrow, but I requested him to deliver this session today at this time, so he very kindly agreed, and I am thankful to sir for that also. So Professor P.K. Singla is presently working as Faculty in Charge Administration and Associate Professor in Education and Educational Management Department of NITR Chandigarh. Sir has more than 35 years of teaching experience at NITR Chandigarh, in addition to a brief experience at Punjab Irrigation Department of around 1.5 years. Sir has done BE in Civil Engineering from Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology in 1982 and ME in Irrigation and Hydraulics from Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh in 1984. Sir has published and presented more than 90 papers in international and national journals and international and national conferences. Sir has also published 4 books titled Applied Mechanics, then textbook of English and Communication Skills, Curriculum Development for Polytechnics, and 4th one, Basics of Management. Sir has carried out several projects and programs in the area of healthy development programs, curriculum design and review, rural development, print and non-print instruction material development, R&D and consultancy projects. Area of specialization of Sir include curriculum design and implementation, industrial strategies, effective teaching, learning and students evaluation, project planning, execution and evaluation, report writing, developing generic and soft skills, including communication skills, interpersonal skills, positive attitude, time management, etc. And he is also having very great experience in the field of motivation and leadership domain, yoga and meditation domain, professional ethics, personality development, resume writing, group discussion, and interview techniques, etc. Also, Professor Singla is a well-traveled person in India and abroad. He has traveled to many countries, which includes USA, UK, Canada, Germany, France, Netherlands, Italy, Switzerland, Austria, Belgium, Korea, Singapore, and list is endless. So, Sir is also FIE of member of Institution of Engineers, Fellow of Institution of Engineers, and life member of Indian Society for Technical Education. Sir has special interest in sports, spirituality, and yoga. So today I am very happy to welcome Sir for his sharing of expertise on this special topic of ethics, values, health, and happiness. Sir, over to you.
A very, very good afternoon to everyone. And at the very outset, I welcome all the participants to this 4th day of this program and to this very interesting and very important session on ethics and values. And if time will permit, I will go to the 2 more topics on health and happiness also. It all depends on the time. Usually, I find it a little harder to manage my timings in my sessions because I have so much of contents to cover under each one of them. ਬਲਵਿੰਦਰ ਜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸੋ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਸਲਾਈਡ ਅੱਗੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ
ਸਰ ਕੀਬੋਰਡ ਤੋਂ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ
ਕੀਬੋਰਡ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਾਊ ਡੂ ਵੀ ਅੱਛਾ ਮੈਂ
ਨੇਹਾ ਕੈਨ ਯੂ ਹੈਲਪ
Yeah. Okay, ठीक है ਇੱਥੇ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਏਗਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ या पर आगे वाली वो नहीं जा रही, यहीं से करनी पड़ रही है. Anyway, don't worry about it.
I think sir ने फाइल शेयर की थी, ਉਹਦੀ प्रॉब्लम ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਜੇ सर स्क्रीन शेयर कर दे तो that will solve this problem because sir has to play certain videos also. He need to
चलिए मैं I will manage from here. Not an issue now.
Okay sir.
This is I was able to see this. I was thinking कि ये slide के लिए ही होगा. Well friends, I personally am very deeply attached with this topic on ethics and value And I am extremely thankful to my very dear friend and a colleague, Mr. Dr. Balwinder Singh Taliwalji, who has given me an opportunity to interact with you on this very interesting and very important theme of ethics and values. My dear friends, when any potential employer comes to your institute for the placement of the students, besides many other things, one of the most important characteristics or trait he is looking for in your student is their ethics and values. Communication is also very important, though. They know that your student is civil engineer or electrical engineer or electronics engineer or computer science and engineering or whatever, maybe textile, or they know that he has undergone 3 years in diploma or 4 years in degree program and in the undergraduate program, studying those electrical, civil, mechanical, electronics, computers, textile, leather, whatever. But then what is that which a single student, an individual student, is having an edge over the other students? And what are the requirements of the industry? If you are able to somehow match the requirements of the industry with the profile of the students, there is placement for the students. And that is exactly what for we are running these professional colleges, all the engineering and polytechnic colleges. Why ethics and values are very important? What are these ethics and values? And how can we inculcate? What is value-based education? And what is the criteria to decide whether it is ethically right or wrong? What are those principles? We will try to cover all these aspects in this next 1.5 hours. Balwinderji, I have time up to 1:30. Neha?
Yes, sir.
1:30. So I have reasonably good time, though I do a full-fledged 5-day program only on values and ethics. But let me see how I can cover up different facets of ethics and value in this 1.5 hours. Right from this slide itself, if you are able to see the slide, ethics and value, see the quotation in between my name and the topic. Wrong is wrong, even if everyone is doing it. Right is right, even if no one is doing it. If you understand this very well, probably my 50% of the job is done in this session. Wrong is wrong. Since everybody is crossing the red light, is it okay for me to cross the red light? And right is right, even if no one is doing it. If everyone is coming late in the office, and if I come at 9 o'clock, if everyone else is not coming in time, right will still remain right. So, but then the question of ethics or values is much more beyond wrong and right. But then this is basically principle. It's the basic principle. My dear friends, we often crib that so and so is not happening rightly, so and so things are not happening rightly. But then when it comes to decision making under any situation in our lives, we try to we tend to follow the mass without considering that whether it is right or wrong. So this is what I wanted to say here in this very first slide itself. I will be sharing a few slides, but before I go to my presentation, I like to say, take a pledge with me that somehow you are in this session now, whether you are in home or you are in your respective colleges or universities, you are with me for next 1.5 hours. Now, practically speaking, 1 hour and 15 minutes only. Take a pledge that from this moment till next 1.5 hours, I am a seeker. You are a learner. You are a student, my dear friend. and I have a pen and paper. Always carry a pen and a paper. I am as a person as a speaker also carrying a pen and a paper because I come with the attitude of learning from all of you also. So if you are not carrying, if your students are not carrying pen and paper, how do you feel about it? Okay, anyway, I am going to make my notes and I will use them. Take this pledge with me. Maybe if you are not carrying pen and paper right now, make mental notes and use those mental notes. Otherwise, after the program is over, after session is over, you don't even remember where my notes are. Make use of them whenever a situation demands. And I want to learn. Come to my session with a attitude of learning. If you want to learn, uh, I will not teach you a rocket science here. Maybe 99.9% of the things which I'm going to say, or my other friends have said, or they are going to say in this 5-day program, are known to you. But still, there is 0.0001%, and that is basically delta X learning takes place. And this is how we keep on expanding our knowledge, our wisdom, and this is our responsibility also. Being a teacher, that we continuously be a learner ourselves. I like to start my presentation by this Potter Stewart's quotation. He said that ethics is knowing the difference between what you have the right to do. आपके rights क्या हैं? आपके privileges क्या हैं? Ethics is knowing the difference between what you have right to do and what is right to do. क्या आपका अधिकार है और क्या ठीक है? The first right stands for your adhikar, your privileges. And the second right is for what is correct thing to do in the situation. If you know the difference between the two and take decision weighing this thing and what is my right and what is right to do, that we are a free country. I have right to say anything, but what is right thing to say in a situation is my decision. I have right to do anything, anywhere, in my home, in my office, in my street, wherever I am. But then what is the right thing to do in that situation is basically ethics. Yes? Now, this is a very profound statement given by none other than one of my spiritual leaders, you can say, Swami Vivekananda ji. He said, he has given you a mantra here. In this slide, he has given a mantra. He said that no nation can become great or achieve prosperity. If you want to be a great nation, and if you want to achieve prosperity in a nation, no nation can become great or achieve prosperity without its people developing a sense of what? Self-discipline. Number one, self-discipline. Number two, social responsibility. Number three, cooperative work attitude. No nation can become great and prosper unless you have these three elements: self-discipline, social responsibility, and cooperative work attitude. I like to narrow down this statement, these three conditions, not only for the nation, but for the organization where you are working. If I want NITTTR Chandigarh to become a great institute, I must, everyone, people means every faculty, staff, and student must have a sense of self-discipline. I do not require to issue office orders, memos. People are self-conscious of कि मेरी क्या ड्यूटी है, क्या 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 मेरे को कितने बजे आना है, कितने बजे करना है, कितने बजे मेरी क्या करना है. Self-discipline. Discipline is not only punctuality, discipline in all things. All means all. And social responsibility. How do I behave with my seniors? with my juniors, with my peer group? And how do I cooperate with them? How do I cooperate with that attitude? Uh, if I want to be a great nation, if my NITR Chandigarh becomes a great institute, being a member of that institute, मेरा रुतबा मेरी मेरी अपनी ग्रोथ जो है प्रोस्पेरिटी जो है अपने आप बढ़ेगी. कल को हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट में 100 करोड़ रुपए की ग्रांट आ जाती है, वेयर विल दैट ग्रांट गो? टू ईच फैकल्टी, स्टाफ एंड स्टूडेंट्स. यदि उनका नाम होता है, कुछ भी होता है, तो इट इज शेयर्ड बाय द स्टेक होल्डर्स, एवरीवन. यदि कंट्री बड़ा होता है, every citizen of that country becomes prosper and great. If any institute becomes prosper and great, every faculty, staff and student and their families also enjoy that. And उसकी सिर्फ 3 ही मंत्र हैं: self discipline, social responsibility and cooperative work attitude. These are only the values. These are the simple values, simple formulas. We don't have to invent big things here. And my dear friends, great leaders create a few, only a few, non-negotiable ethics and values for the organizations which they follow strictly. The leaders and the followers, both of them, they follow those non-negotiable ethics and value. उसके ऊपर फिर compromise नहीं है. रेड लाइट मीन्स रेड लाइट है, वहां पर कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं है. ओके, इफ 9 o'clock मीन्स 9 o'clock. 12 बजे सेशन शुरू होना है तो 12 बजे. आई मीन इन एवरीथिंग, इफ आई हैव टू टेक 2 चपाती, एथिक्स टू माय ओन सेल्फ इज कि मेरी 2 चपाती की रिक्वायरमेंट है, यदि मैं 3 खाता हूं, आई एम गोइंग बियॉन्ड माय नॉन नेगोशिएबल एथिक्स एंड आई हैव टू पे फॉर इट. मे बी सूनर और लेटर डायबिटीज होगी, ब्लड प्रेशर होगा, ये होगा, वो होगा. दैट ग्रीड, दैट नॉन कन्फॉर्मिटी टू दोज एथिक्स एंड वैल्यूज. मॉर्निंग में उठ के योगा करनी है, मेडिटेशन करना है, सैर करनी है, गेम खेलनी है, काम करना है, 8 घंटे की इनपुट. नो, ऑल दोज थिंग्स, नॉन नेगोशिएबल एथिक्स एंड वैल्यूज इन द होम्स, in the streets, in the organizations, wherever you're working. And one of the very important things, principle of imbibing these ethics and values in the students is, I always say, when you want to imbibe certain skills, certain manipulative skills, जैसे हाथों से काम करने की यदि आपने स्किल डेवलप करनी है, there are 3 principles: practice, practice and practice. If you want to teach anybody swimming, carpentry job or driving, or any job which requires your whole body to function well, there is no compromise on practice. 3 principles: practice, practice and practice. But if you want to develop the attitudes in the students, there is only single principle. That single principle is, my dear friends, role model. You have to play a role model. I always say in my class, whether you believe me or no, it is a fact. You might be thinking that I can come late in Balwinder Singh's course and my students are not watching. I can tell my student to come in time, but this is just a FDP, and I can be late. Balwinder Singh will still give me attendance and I will manage to get a certificate. And my students are not watching it. In my class, I am strict that I want my student to come in time. But here, I am not coming in time and I am not being watched by my student. My dear friends, believe me, it is a magic. It is a magical phenomena. Your students have watched that you were 10 minutes late in the class today, in my session, or you were in time, or you were 2 minutes before time. Your each and every activity, how you are learning, how you are making notes, how your question answers, how you are responding to me are being watched by your students. Believe me in this. Believe me in this. You are playing a role as a student today, the same role unwittingly, unknowingly, effortlessly, you are going to play in your class as a teacher also. So be very careful. a lot of responsibility lies on you. I want to quote from Ratan Tata, son of J.R.D. Tata. Let me read the quote, then I will talk to you about it. Apart from values and ethics, which I have tried to live by. Now, Ratan Tata says he has lived by those values and ethics. Apart from those values and ethics, the legacy I would like to leave behind is a very simple one, that I have always stood by, I have always stood up for what I consider to be right thing. And I have tried to be as fair and equitable as I could be. This is the statement given by one of the topmost corporate or topmost industrialist of our country, Tata. I happen to be at IISc Bangalore a number of times. That institute is known as Tata Institute. The first time I went to IISc Bangalore, I told my art of person that I want to go to IISc Bangalore. They said कि सर इसका पूरा नाम बताइए. Then I told them कि ये है इसका पूरा नाम. Then they said कि हिंदी में बताइए, इंग्लिश में बताइए. मैंने कहा यही नाम है इसका. तो then they said कि सर इसकी लोकेशन बताइए. So by chance I had the location. I'm talking about long back. Also people might be knowing IISc Bangalore also. This has a status higher than any IIT also. IIT is student का dream होता है कि we will like to do our postdoctoral from the IISc Bangalore. That kind of institute was established by J.R.D. Tata. Or at the entrance itself, there is a aeroplane lying there which J.R.D. Tata drove himself. Why I'm talking to you all this? Ultimately, the auto person could guess it. He said कि Tata Institute जाना है. Tata Institute मेरे को नहीं मालूम था कि बेंगलोर में उसको Tata Institute कहते हैं. Then I confirmed and then I said कि okay, let me go to Tata Institute. जब वो गेट के ऊपर लेकर गया, then I said कि yes, this is the institute. And my dear friends, why I'm talking to you all these things, the contribution made by Tata's to this country is really very immense. And Tata is one of the companies, one of the very few corporates who has claimed very rightly that they have never ever bribed a single penny to any government official to take any favor from them. Usually we have a feeling that यदि हमने अपना बिजनेस करना है, हमने कोई काम करना है तो विदाउट ब्राइबरी, मेरे को स्टेट ऑफिस जाना तो ब्राइबरी मेरे को ये कागज नहीं मिलेगा, ये नहीं होगा. Imagine such a great empire, and this is what his son Ratan Tata is saying. Apart from the values and ethics which I have tried to live by, because the legacy he has taken from J.R.D. Tata, I would like to leave behind this simple one, that I have always stood up for what I consider to be a right thing. Are you ready to stand up for what is right and what is wrong? If you are able to do that and be equitable and fair, equitable and fair under any circumstances, be very fair. When you're in a home, you have two children or more than two children. If you are partial or impartial, you know the impacts on that. And fair. My dear friends, these are the synonyms of moral. Somewhere when we talk about ethics and values, we cannot leave this thing morality out of it. So these are the basically terms which are very closely associated with values and ethics. They are moral, ethical, virtuous, righteous, noble, and chaste. Who doesn't want to be a noble person? We say engineering is a noble profession. We used to say doctor, medicine is a noble profession. People in that profession make the profession noble, or they abuse the profession. We used to for good, I think 5 to 6 decades, whatever my age is, we used to feel. But today, in the medical profession also, in the engineering profession also, in the profession of law, जब आप कोर्ट में जाते हैं, the ethics of the lawyers, when you go to police, professional people who are responsible for your security, all the individuals working there make that institute, that organization, that profession noble, chaste, righteous, or virtuous. There is a hairline difference between all these terms. When we talk about morality, it is opposite to immoral. It is immoral to behave in a certain way, conforming to a standard what is good and right. That is basically morality is all about. And all scriptures, whether it is Guru Granth Sahib Ji, or it is Gita, or it is our Vedas, or it is Bible, or it is Quran, or any other, they talk about what is good and what is right. That is basically moral. Naitikta. When we talk about ethics, it is the practice of those morals. Achar Vichar, Niti Shastra, involvement of more subtle questions like righteousness, fairness, or equity. When we talk about virtuous, dharmic, bhadra, it is nothing to do with a particular religion, but it is a general phenomena, possession or manifestation of moral excellence in character. How much excellence I am reflecting in my character is your virtuousness. आप उतने धार्मिक हैं without following a particular religion and virtuousness should not be taken up together. Someday we will talk about that if time will permit. But understand right now for the moment, you cannot be calling yourself to be a virtuous person if you are not reflecting that moral excellence in your character. And righteous, न्याय परायण, मैंने हिंदी में इसलिए लिखा because certain words are having very clear meaning in Hindi. In English, being a foreign language for all of us, we are not able to derive those meanings very well. Guiltless or blameless. Holy. Righteousness means a person is righteous if he is guiltless. उसके अंदर एक अंदर still small voice sitting inside you is not telling you that you have done something right or something wrong. That still small voice is the self-discipline. आपकी अपनी conscious, आपकी अपनी अंदर की जो आवाज है वो righteous, guiltless and blameless, holy, sacredness. Somebody was telling me 40% of our parliamentarians are facing some kind of blameless. कैसे चल सकता है हमारा? Anyway, coming to the next definition here is noble, महान. हम कहते हैं कि इंजीनियर ने इतना बड़ा ब्रिज बना दिया, इतनी बड़ी सड़कें बना दी, इतने बड़े मेट्रो बना दिए सिटी के अंदर अंदर, ये कर दिया. A profession is noble, moral excellence, and freedom from anything petty, mean, or doubtful in conduct and character. उस प्रोफेशन में होने के बाद आप किसी छोटे से प्रलोभन, small petty thing should not easily provoke you to be corrupt. For example, आज आपको थोड़ा सा काम करवाना है, चलो 100 रुपए देके काम हो जाएगा. I'm just giving you example of 100 rupees note. That's you can still follow the procedure, wait for your turn. You can break the queue and come in the front and catch the bus. What if you miss the bus? What if you go 5 minutes early to be in the first in the queue? There are always options, right thing to do and what is right thing to do. Okay, what is your right and what is you have a right to jump the queue, but it is not a right thing to do. When somebody else does it, you feel bad about it. When we do it, it is okay. If my students come late in the class, very bad. Culture kharab the students. If I come late in the college, if I don't carry my paper and pen, it's okay. हम तो बड़े हो गए हैं अभी. But we are setting up the role models. Nobility, petty and mean and doubtful in conduct. People should be able to say कि यार ये अब डॉक्टर के पास गए हैं, ये हमारे को सबसे अच्छी दवाई दे. ये इंजीनियर के पास गए हैं, इसने जो हाउस बनाया है, जो इसने जो रोड बनाई है, it will last for 10 years. The Bridge Corporation of India, Gammons, Bridge Corporation of India, UP. I mean, the designs which the people have made, executors, all of them, they have made the profession as noble. And it is our responsibility, it is our heritage which we have taken from them, that we pass on this nobility to our predecessors, to our students, for the glory, for the greatness and prosperity of our profession. Yes. Then the chaste, innocent, pure in thought and act, modest, pavitra. Chaste means pavitra. हम कहते हैं कि so and so person is chaste. These words, my dear friends, may sound little, आपको लग रहा होगा कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर रहा हूं यहाँ पे. If you look at it, just close your eyes for half a minute and look at it. Who does not want to be moral, ethical, virtuous, righteous, noble, and chaste? Who does not want to? Or who does not want that his teacher or his parents or his leaders should not reflect all these synonyms of moral? And if that happens, in proportionate to its happening, we are achieving what Swami Vivekananda said, greatness and prosperity. If in proportion, if everyone is violating the rules on the roads or in the offices, in everywhere, we are spending more time in our courts. सारा दिन चनान भुगतने में लग जाता है. वो आधा मिनट यदि मैं वेट कर लेता, it would have saved me money and time which I am spending to pay for it. And I am facilitating, जिसका right था उसको जाने की मैं facilitate. And I am respecting somebody's right, equity की बात हो रही है, then somebody else is also respecting my time and my rights. This is all give and take, this is all given. And this is exactly what our potential employers are looking for when they come for the campus interview. You believe me. I will be taking your suggestion. I am not able to read really very clearly what you are writing in the chat, but we will very soon talk about that. I will be discussing some more basics. I was thinking, how do I go about this very vast topic on which I do 5-day program or even 2 weeks program in 1.5 hours. So I thought I will be covering some of the basic things. The basics are clear. You will know whole of the electronics. Balwinder Singh ji knows it very well. If you know the basics, you will know every engineering, every science, everything. So I'm covering the basics. Principle and value. अभी हमने कुछ बातें करी moral के synonyms की. Principles are सिद्धांत, the fundamental truths or proposition that serves as the foundation for a system of belief or behavior or for a chain of reasoning. यदि हमारे प्रिंसिपल ही गलत हो जाएं, मैंने कोई बिल्डिंग डिजाइन करी कुछ प्रिंसिपल्स को लेकर, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट प्योर इंजीनियरिंग नाउ, यदि वो प्रिंसिपल ही गलत हैं और इफ आई डू नॉट फॉलो द प्रिंसिपल, यू कैन वेरी वेल इमेजिन व्हाट विल हैपन. फाउंडेशन पे ही नहीं मैंने फॉलो करे, मैंने वो प्रिंसिपल फाउंडेशन ले करने से पहले जियोलॉजिकल सर्वे में ही नहीं फॉलो करे, वो प्रिंसिपल ही गलत है या मैंने फॉलो नहीं करे. Will I be able to lay down the good foundation? Will I be able to make a good superstructure? My dear friends, the fundamental truths are available to us in the form of all the scriptures. I am directing again and again all of you to go to the scriptures and read them and practice as far as possible, and it is not difficult. And slowly you will find it is very easy. It is very easy for me to stop half a minute at the red lights. Is it a difficult thing? We are always in a hurry on the road. घर में बैठे हैं, अभी मैं जाता हूँ बाहर निकल के किसी काम के लिए. I am in a great rush. I want to be the first person. I don't want to wait in the queue. I don't want to be working on the office. If my institute start at 9 o'clock, I don't want to be at 9 o'clock there, 9:10, 9:20, 9:30. But when I go to the bus stand, and if the ticket clerk comes late half an hour, you can imagine the queue standing outside, and there are 60 boys and girls waiting for you in the class. There are so many things that are happening. Hospital में doctor late हो गया आधा घंटा. इमरजेंसी केस आ गया, you curse the doctor, it can lead to direct death. And this is what is happening. Direct deaths are happening all over because of the principles. हमारे प्रिंसिपल ही नहीं है, सिद्धांत ही नहीं है, फंडामेंटल ट्रूथ ही नहीं है हमारे पास अवेलेबल. Then coming to values, मूल्य, महत्व, अहमियत. Values means, let us say if I am having this watch, what is the value of this watch? इसका मूल्य कितना है, इसकी प्राइस कितनी है. Value denotes the degree of importance of something. आप उसको कितने पैसे खर्च करने के लिए तैयार हैं, क्या करने के लिए तैयार हैं उस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, ये तो थिंग है या उस प्रिंसिपल के लिए. So read it very carefully. In ethics, value denotes the degree of importance. Just hold on a second, my dear friends. I'm sorry for this pause. A worker has come in the home, so she was making a lot of noise. I thought that that's voice might be reaching you. I just requested her to be doing it a little quietly. Anyway, coming to the values. In ethics, value denote the degree of importance of something. आप उस something को कितनी importance देते हैं, punctuality को, loyalty को, all those things. I will be talking about those things. क्या क्या चीजें हैं, कितनी वैल्यू देते हैं और उसको करने के लिए, उसको एक्शन में लाने के लिए क्या एफर्ट कर रहे हैं. So before I go to the next, I was reading some of the chat, some comments on the chat. Up to now, I have covered some of the basic things. Some of the more basic things I will be covering just now. But before I cover that, I like to have your responses in the chat and know from you your responses. What are ethics? What you have understood up to now, what are ethics are. Ashish Ayushina, am I pronouncing right? Has written very beautiful. If you want to change, be a part of the change you want, and it should start from inward that proceeds outward. Beautiful. My dear friends, I'd like to know from you what are the ethics. Kindly come to your chat box and respond very quickly. Whatever comes to your mind. Whatever comes to your mind. We will be exploring this now further. Very quickly. Maybe a few responses at a time. Somebody has written Dilip Kumar Kushwaha. Sir, in this COVID situation, we all are taking classes online, but students are not sincere for online classes. They will watch our recorded lectures. I understand there are certain problems, but then systems can be changing, and the change, we should be the change agent. We should be the change agent. Be true to yourself. Somebody has written here, Shivanandan has written, be true to yourself. Yes. Listen to yourself. Be true to your own consciousness. I do not require a policeman to stand at the red lights. Self-discipline. Be true to yourself. Self-discipline. If we require so much of policemen, people, then it is no fun. I mean, it is not discipline. It is not a discipline. It is a jungle raj. It is a jungle raj where everybody is getting governed by a danda. It is a gunda raj. We are an independent nation. Somebody else? In the meantime, you're thinking and writing. Let me share one thing. When I first time went to Germany, I was invited over a dinner by a family of that nation. I mean, a German family of German origin and brought up in there. They invited me for a dinner. Me and my wife, we went for the dinner. There was one question which was haunting me continuously till that time. I was there for 1 week before I went for this dinner invitation. I asked my host, I said that, sir, there is something which is bothering me since the time I have landed at the airport and I am traveling in Munich. I was in Munich. for 1 week, and I had 2 weeks time to be spending in Munich. He said, "Okay, yes, gentlemen, please ask me what is bothering you." I said, "Okay, I have not seen a single policeman in the streets. गली मोहल्ले में, सड़कों पे, चौराहों पे, anywhere I have not seen a single policeman." He said that he asked me a question, "What for you require a policeman there?" I said, "Okay, how people stop at the red lights, how people do not do this thing, how people queue up at the this thing and that. कौन उनको discipline करता है?" He said, "Okay, we do not require policemen, my dear. We are all disciplined. That is why Germany is leading in technology all over the world. Greatness and prosperity. If you want to do that in your home you want to have prosperity and greatness. You do not require the CEO of the house, maybe your wife, maybe you yourself, maybe your grandfather, maybe anyone should not be policing you. आपके मोबाइल को वो चेक नहीं करें कि इसमें क्या है. You don't require to be policed. You know it very well what is there in my mobile. If we are ethical, what we do or talk should not hurt any human or living thing, physically or mentally. PVS Muralidhar has written, fundamental principle morals that one possesses and reveals through his or her behavior. Wonderful. You're all giving me fun. I'm learning, and I believe me, मैं copy paste करके सारे notes बनाऊंगा बाद में, and I will try to incorporate the things which are missing in my notes from your inputs. And the teacher come with the attitude of learning in the class, not teaching. I always come to my class for learning, not for teaching you. You are all teachers. Even in my home also, from my small children, I try to learn from them. Whatever experience I have, I share with them. But then I come with the attitude of learning. Thank you so much. Okay, friends, the time is not permitting me to go further, and you can keep pasting your inputs in the chat box if you have any. What is a simple definition of, my dear friends, definition of ethics? Yes, Tanuja ji, I also go with the learning attitude. That's the very... At its simplest, ethics is a system of moral principles. अब हम उसकी बात नहीं करेंगे because we have already discussed what those principles are. Ethic is concerned with what is good for individuals and society. मेरे लिए तो बहुत अच्छा है. How it is good for the people at large, and is also described as moral philosophy. The term is derived from Greek word ethos, which can mean customs, habits, characters, and disposition. Disposition is nothing but attitude. How you define an attitude is how you dispose of your mind in a situation is your attitude. So the ethos means custom, habits, character, and disposition. I am tempted to share one example with you. I can trust that it has become as a character in my dad that he doesn't want to be late even for a second. So जब मेरी शादी होनी थी, when I was getting married, we were printing the cards. So we were to give time to the people to whom we are going to send the invitation. I said के 7 o'clock. हमने कुछ पहले कार्ड के फॉर्मेट देखे 7 o'clock. He said that will you be ready and will your friends be able to come at 7 o'clock? I said, "Okay, Dad, people will come at 7:30, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. How does it matter? If we give time earlier, it is better." सब लोग ऐसे करते हैं. He said, "Okay, whatever you decide, we follow." And my dear friends, at 7 o'clock, he made me to ride on the horse. And he has given time, let us say 7:30 to reach at the pandal, where the girls' side was supposed to be there before we reach there. My friends were not there. My relatives had not reached when everything was happening. I told my dad, "Dad, abhi wait kar lete hain." He said, "No, we have given time at 7 o'clock. You have printed and given them that time. We should be in time." At 7:30 sharp, we were at the girls' door. And even they were also not available. He said, "It doesn't matter. It is their take on this, whether they reach in time or no." That is his character. That is his character, my dear friends. And this is how we all observe and we all live, and we live in that environment, we breathe in that environment. Those things are transmitted generation to generation, my. Coming to the next slide now. Ethics are two kinds. Two things, sorry. Ethics are two things. First, ethics refers to well-founded standards of right and wrong. Well-founded. उसकी foundation क्या है? Principles, morals, standards of what is right and what is wrong in a situation. Prescribe what humans ought to do, what they should do, using in terms of rights, obligations, benefits to society, fairness, or specific virtues. So they have this definition. एक चीज तो ethics में ये है कि they are well-founded standards of right and wrong based on what is usually good for the society. Their rights, obligations, are we not breaching upon the rights of others? वो भी एक important aspect है. मेरे अपने rights in rights of everyone. Obligations means what is my obligation for the others also. Benefits to the society, fairness and specific virtue. And the second thing in ethics refers to study and development of one's ethical standard. And my dear friends, for every good organization, there should be a code of ethics. I gave a full-fledged 4-hour session only on code of ethics. Code of ethics for the engineers, code of ethics for a teacher, code of ethics for a parent, code of ethics for a presenter, code of ethics for an organization. And as a leader, it's my responsibility to formulate those ethical code of ethics, maybe written, maybe oral, maybe in the mental. Certain, and preferably in a formal setting, it should be written. And a visionary leader will do that. When India got independence, we wrote a code of ethics in terms of Constitution of India. What we call it in 1950, we became a republic and we had a code of ethics. There, your duties, your responsibilities, and your privileges, your moral rights are very clearly mentioned. If you enter NITTR, few years back, my dear friends, when Dr. Parijat Dev was our director, I discussed with him this topic, and then I inscribed those responsibilities, those duties, your fundamental duties as a citizen of this country. Ethics की बात कर रहे हैं अभी हम. On a granite sheet, on a granite stone, and put it at the entrance of our gate itself. If you ever visit to our institute, you will find that it is there, so that we are aware of what is that, what are those standards, and what are those things. And my dear friends, in a broader sense, what I said just now, in a very simplest and very broader sense, ethics refer to moral philosophy or the body of principles governing right and wrong. Should I or shouldn't I? That still small voice inside you will give you answer, should I or shouldn't I? Should I or shouldn't I? This is the question. This is the dilemma. Some people call it dilemma, which is दुविधा में हैं हम. असमंजस कहते हैं जिसको, कि मैं ये करूं कि ये नहीं करूं. Listen to your still. Still means वो बोलती नहीं, आवाज नहीं आती. Small, which you only can listen. Voice inside you. Should I or shouldn't I? In proportionate to your listening to this still small voice inside you, which is his voice, you are following the ethics. My dear friends, I will be skipping these slides because I have some important things to share with you, some more fundamental. We have covered largely those slides which I have just now skipped. I will be talking about now some more terminologies which are very closely associated with our behavior, our practical living of the values and ethics. One of them is decent. Are you a decent person? Am I a decent person? Decent का हिंदी में अनुवाद है सभ्य, शिष्ट, उचित. to be a decent person, these are the 5 things you have to remember. Appropriate, everywhere. Appropriate, क्या बोलना है, क्या खाना है, क्या पहनना है. Your appropriateness, well formed, handsome. Handsome doesn't mean कि you look beautiful only. Handsome is what handsome does. जो आपकी करतूतें हैं, जो आपके करने की आपकी करनी है, जो आपके what your action है आपके, वो handsomeness. And modest, not extreme, modest in everything. Having praiseworthy qualities. If you are having these 5 elements, you can call yourself to be a decent person, which is a prerequisite for any behavior of values and ethics. And my dear friends, the second terminology is pure, Shuddh, Nirdosh, chaste. If you want to call yourself as a pure person, you want to drink a glass of milk which is pure without having any impurity in it. Yes, we expect that. I want to drink the glass of water which is a pure water. Do you want to have impure water? Anyone in the class want to have impure water? And what to talk about the vegetables, fruits, and other consumables? Nobody wants. So if you are so careful about the things which you consume and throw it out in the morning, imagine we are being consumed by our students, by my family members, by my colleagues, and I am not going to be thrown out. I am there all the time till my last breath. So we don't want to give impure person to the environment where I am living. Purity. It is characterized by no appreciable alteration. उसमें कोई unmixed by another matter, free from dust, dint and taint, spotless. हमारा character कैसा होना चाहिए? Spotless. जब आपकी रिटायरमेंट हो, people should say कि इसके सारे ड्यूज क्लियर हैं, इसकी पेंशन लगा दो, अब इसको सब कुछ दे दो, एचटी दे दो, इसको जो भी whatever is due. Stainless. Not only at the time of retirement, but throughout every single day, we should live as if we are going to die tomorrow, as if I'm going to retire tomorrow. I go to my office every day, keeping in mind that tomorrow I may take a retirement and everything should be spotless, stainless. Stainless steel की बात करते हैं. It should not rust. Rust means इसके ऊपर कोई बाहर का प्रभाव, environment का असर नहीं होना चाहिए. The outside environment should not affect the stainless steel. Similarly, my character of pure blood and unmixed ancestry. We normally have I don't want to go in the details of this, but then it's very, very important. Unmixed ancestry is very important aspect of purity. Free from moral faults and guilts. Free from moral faults and guilts. मैं बारी बारी से टैब दबाता हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को उसकी आदत पड़ी हुई है. Anyway, poise. Poise means संतुलन, balance, आत्मविश्वास, willpower. A person who wants to call himself or herself to be poised, he should reflect these 5 traits in his personality, which are leading to, again, practice of values and ethics. If you are not a balanced person, you can never reflect ethical and value-based behavior in any situation. Voice is very balanced होना बहुत जरूरी. Equilibrium, self-possessed composure, assurance and dignity. Calm, dignity. मेरे पास ये 2 शर्ट हैं, but I am dignified that I दोनों शर्टें मैंने अपने हक हलाल की कमाई से की. That is my dignity. मेरे पास छोटी कार है, छोटा मकान है, ये है, but I am dignified. I feel happy about it. That is your character of poise. Then calm, serenity. Serenity means clear and free from storm or unpleasant changes, shining bright and steady, calm and tranquil. Tranquil means free from agitation. आप easily provoke नहीं हो. थोड़ी सी गर्मी लगी, घर में एसी चाहिए. एसी के लिए पैसे नहीं है, कैसे भी एसी चाहिए. Tranquil. My dear friends, I can give you thousands of examples. As you read, you can think what provokes a person to be a corrupt person. What really, sir, most of the terminologies and the definitions are exactly what I studied in Quran. Exactly, my dear friends. Every scripture. One of my friends, I am a very, my in my biodata when Balvinder Singh ji was introducing, I like to be, I like to be in sports, music, and spirituality. And one of my students was, he was from a place near Bombay, and he gifted me Quran as his Guru Dakshina after his middle thesis, because he knew that I'm a Bible scholar and I am a scholar of the Guru Granth Sahib and Vedas, of course. And every day in our home, one chapter of Gita is being read. And, I go to Gurdwara to listen to the Gurbani, and I am a Bible scholar myself. And after I read that Quran, which my student gave to me, Muhammad, that was his name. नासिक के पास एक जगह है वहां से था वो तो ही gave me, and it is universal truth है, my dear friends. 2 plus 2 will be 4 whether you read in Hindi or English or Urdu or French or Germany. Mathematics is same, the principles are same, which I have talked about just now. Thank you, my dear friend. And then devout, dharmic, devoted, sincere, devoted to religious duties and exercises. Devout. Devout means sincere. Am I sincere to my organization? Am I sincere to my family? Am I sincere to my neighbor? Am I sincere to whosoever come in contact with me? Then and only then I have right to be called. Who want to have? I said in the beginning that your potential employers are looking for ethics and value. Now ask me. I'm asking you a question. I'm asking you a question. If you have to hire a maid in your home, a maid, temporarily part-time maid, what are the qualities you are looking for in her? Sincerity. Probably to my mind, sincerity. I don't have to police her. वो जहाँ पे भी काम कर रही है, मैं उसके साथ साथ जाऊं. I should accompany her that she doesn't do anything wrong. Is she asking herself कि मैं कैसे ठीक काम कर सकती हूँ? Time से आए, time से जाए. I can depend on her. She is devoted to her duties. उसको यदि बर्तन साफ करने नहीं भी आ रहे या फ्लोर साफ करना नहीं भी है, those skills are not available. Those can be learned. But if in her character the sincerity, devotion, and all those things are not there, even if she is very good in washing the dishes or cleaning the floors, I will not hire her. I will not hire. Who will like to hire a person who is habitual of being insincere and not devoted to the duty? None of you, for any purpose. That is why the organizations are looking for. Then might they sanctify, पवित्रता, शुद्धता की बात करते हैं. Consecrate, free from sin. Sin की definition क्या है? When you deliberately or even involuntarily hurt anyone, see him in his wrong image and likeness. That is the sin. The moment you try to hurt somebody, it is a sin. Sanctify. You are going against the ethics and values. Hurt, what to say of killing. Give moral and social sanction to. When we talk to the worth ethics, my dear friends, there are two terms, do's and don'ts. Let us focus on do's here. Do's are requiring members of that organization, member of that citizens of the country, or faculty, staff, and student of a institute, or all workers in an industry, requiring members to do things that are morally good or right. For example, these are only examples. I am not giving an exhaustive list here. I have an exhaustive list, which if time permit, I will share with you. Do's are punctuality, courtesy. I have still to find a person in my institute as courteous as Balvinder Singh Dhaliwal. You have a coordinator here. He is always so courteous with everyone, so soft spoken. This is his biggest strength. And we all learn from each other. The environment with the do's are courteous with everyone, whether he is senior to you or junior to you, or he is your colleague. Efficiency. Do's are efficient. Efficiently काम कर रहे हैं. Hard work. Do's ethics हैं, work ethics हैं. Sincerity. Devotion to duty. Regularity. Discipline. Promptness. Enterprise. Initiative. Enterprise means you want to be proactive in doing the things, whatever duties have been assigned to you, in a novel way, in a creative way, to be more efficient, to be more profitable, and for the benefit of everyone working in that organization. So these are some of the do's. This reminds me of a person. I think some of you who have heard me earlier might have heard this example of a person. I said that a lot of responsibility lies on us as teachers. One of my teachers, and I am so happy and I pray for him every single day, Professor Sundar Singh, who taught me soil mechanics and foundation engineering in 79, in my second year, third semester में उन्होंने हमारे को soil mechanics and then foundation engineering पढ़ाई थी. Why I am remembering Sardar Sundar Singh ji from Thapar Engineering College? During 40 years of his service at Thapar, he never took a single CL, casual leave. Never went to class unprepared and a half a second late in the class. Never ever you will find Sundar Singh ji is getting late in the class or he has taken a CL. These are only some of the things about his character. Sincerity, devotion, regularity, discipline, promptness, enterprise, initiative. Who doesn't want to have a person like him? If you are able to somehow say and prove to your potential employer that I possess these do's, there is a job for you. And there are certain don'ts. Don'ts are they seek to restrain the employees from doing certain things. They restrain. Don'ts are nothing but restraining the employees for doing certain things that they should not do, that are morally bad or wrong. For example, insubordination. Insubordination. We should not. Lethargy. We should not be lethargic. Indolence. Indolence is हम तो पेंशन पे आए हैं, तनख्वाह तो मिल ही जानी है, काम करें ना करें. अकाउंटेबिलिटी नहीं है, कमिटमेंट नहीं है, वो all those things amount to indolence. One should not be. We should restrain from this. Corruption, dishonesty. Dishonesty not only in terms of money, in terms of your duties, punctuality, and many other things. My dear friends, these were some of the do's and don'ts. I will be spend just read this. Most frequently cited dilemmas fell into the following category listed in describing order, descending order. Confidentiality. आप कितने ज्यादा confidentiality means आपके ऊपर कितना भरोसा किया जा सकता है. How much I can trust you. How much the organization can trust you. Transparency is a very important thing for any organization. Along with the transparency comes confidence. There are no dilemmas about these two terms. But then at the appropriate time, at the appropriate situation, there should be transparency is really important, and the appropriate situation, confidentiality is also equally important. मैं अपना एक ट्रेड सीक्रेट अपने ओपोनेंट, अपने कंटेम्परेरी दूसरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को देता हूं. मैं आपको अभी एग्जांपल देता हूं एक. व्हाई योर एम्प्लॉयर्स लुक फॉर दिस एट्रीब्यूट इन यू, in your students when they come for the campus placements. My dear friends, just imagine, I'm taking another example from my family, my daughter. She worked in Qualcomm. She did her BTech from BITS Planning and MS in mathematics, and then she went to join Qualcomm. Ethics, and she went through 6 rounds of selection process before she was selected to work in Qualcomm. And now she's working in one company, Minara करके company है in Munich in Germany. Qualcomm is doing a lot of R&D. जो आपका ब्रेन है इस मोबाइल के अंदर, माइक्रोचिप, 4G, 5G, and many other things. This is one of the things which they're doing a lot of R&D on this, and they are supplying it to Samsung and many other big brands all over the world, and many other things also. For example, self-driven cars, self-driven so many things. The brain, they're producing the brains. And imagine, यदि उनका जो employee है, my daughter for example, they saw her ethical values. She can be confidentiality maintain कर सकती है कंपनी के प्रोडक्ट की. यदि वो जिस चिप के ऊपर काम कर रही है, if she sell it to somebody else, means उसको तो बहुत सारे पैसे मिल सकते हैं. She doesn't have to work for rest of her life for just giving this technology to somebody else. कंपनी को कितने $million का नुकसान हो सकता है. They have headquarters in San Diego in USA. In Bangalore and Hyderabad, they have very big offices. Thousands of employees work. Overnight, the shutters will be down and they can be on the road. Company. See the stakes. Company पे stake पे क्या है? If your employee is not having ethical behavior of, यहाँ पे तो मैंने फटाफट से मैं अपनी स्लाइड को आगे चला सकता था, but I am not showing my forwarding my slides because it's important. Every word is very important, my dear friends. They saw that quality. They like to see that how much we can trust you, because the company itself is at the stake. And my dear friends, when she joined, she told me that, Dad, I am been issued a laptop. I am not supposed to insert a single outside device on my laptop. मैं एक पेन ड्राइव नहीं डाल सकती, हार्ड डिस्क नहीं लगा सकती. The moment I will insert my headquarters in San Diego in USA will come to know कि मैंने अपने लैपटॉप पे ये यूज करा है. Data is very important. No emails, personal emails. You are being in every profession. It is like that, and they want to have the persons like this. Then payment issues and plagiarism. हमारे academics में these are very important issues. Forensic issues हैं बहुत सारे, research issues हैं, sexual gender issues हैं हमारे बहुत सारे. Some of the issues. Then assessment issues हैं, harmful interventions, competence. These are the ethical issues, my dear friends, which we have to confront with. Publishing issue हैं. Now, how do we take a ethical decision? Suppose कि मेरे को decision लेना है. You are in a dilemma. How do you take whether it is ethical or not ethical? How do you take the decision? These are the basically 6 steps. Recognize an ethical issue. Get the facts and fairness. उसके related जितने भी facts and fairness हैं, वो सबको gather करिए. Then evaluate alternative actions from various ethical perspectives. यदि ये करता तो फिर क्या होता, यदि ये करता तो फिर क्या होता, यदि ये करता तो फिर क्या होता. ओके, क्या क्या alternative actions हो सकते हैं. Using different approaches for resolving the ethical issues, make a decision and test it. Make a decision and, if possible, test it in a smaller level. And then, before you make it a public, implement the decision in a larger group, act then reflect. You do it in a smaller level, at level 5. We all do that in the engineering. We make a prototype and then we put it. Before I actually design a bridge, I try to test everything, whether it will withstand all the forces. Similarly, ethically also. Then if when you have taken that action, what have they taken the decision, reflect back, see how it has been working, and then you may like to modify it. You may like to modify it and do the things all over again in a different way. In a different way, which you feel that my decision was wrong, or maybe I could have done it in a better way. Do not make a ego issue here. Go back to it. Implement your decision. How did it turn out for all concerned? If it had to be done all over again, would you do it differently and in a better way? This is how continuous growth will take place. Your home or your workplace will not stagnate if you take ethical decisions. And what are the criteria for accepting a value? If this is a value, what is the criteria? There are only two tests available. Number one test is test of universality. कितने लोगों को ये फायदे वाली बात? This value is good and larger population. The second test is greatest good for greatest number. We cannot, certain values may not be good for everyone, but the second criteria is greatest good to greatest number. ज्यादातर लोगों को वो फायदा होना चाहिए. That is the basically value criteria for acceptance of a value. These are the dilemmas when you face when you are taking decisions. I will be now going towards little towards the value based education. हमारा जो present education scenario है, there is supposed to be more education now, but there is also more corruption, more greed, more selfishness, more poverty, lack of sincerity and integrity. Present education scenario में ये सब कुछ है या नहीं है? You can ask the question from yourself. Why it is so? Why there is more greed? Why there is more selfishness? Why there is more poverty? We are a more education and evolving society today. Why there is lack of sincerity and integrity? Because now education is oriented towards examination, employment, empowerment. Unfortunately, earlier the education used to be for emancipation, ennoblement, evolution. Now it is for examination. Triple E, जो पहले थे, emancipation, ennoblement, and evolution, has been replaced by examination, employment, and empowerment. Everyone wants to be an IAS bureaucrat. What for? Empowerment. मेरे को power होनी चाहिए. मेरे पास ये होना चाहिए. Yes. Somebody has written here, sir, ethic is need every workplace or research, but we found that there are still some people who are violating ethics. What are your message to such kind of typical people? My dear friends, मेरा सिर्फ एक ही message है. If we have a very strong leaders, they should be taken action. There should be bodies to take care of that. But more than that, I'm responsible for my ethics and my values. मैं नहीं करूँगा. Nowadays, when we students take admission, they are all the time concerned. Let me see any student in your college who is after this. And by different, my next few slides will be talking to you about certain things like this. What is the true meaning of education? Does education makes one wiser, happier, contented, make a better human being? It is nowadays more stuffing of the facts, more knowledge, more किताबें, Google भर लिया, ये भर लिया. Education actually means actualization. Education actually means actualization of the potential which is already in the children. This is a very beautiful definition. I have put it in the red here. Education is really a process of removing the ignorance that is covering our inner knowledge, which is absolute, perfect, eternal, and supreme. Instead of stuffing the students, which is already inside them, the purity, the calmness, the contentment, everything is inside them. Our role as a teacher is to facilitate. The faculty का एक और synonym है facilitate. Facilitate them to understand what is lying inside them, the holistic life. And what are the values? What are the values? I now want to have your, value-based education की बात करते हैं. What are the values which we want to imbibe in our student? I want to ask from you, what are the values? Come on the chat box, my dear friends. I am not audible. Neha? Am I not audible? Okay. Maybe some problem with you, Shelly, here. I am audible to other participants.
Yes, sir, audible, perfectly audible.
Okay. My question was, what are the... Okay, I'm glad that I'm audible to you also now, Shelly. What are values? Come on the chat box and tell me what are the values. मैंने अभी define भी करा था. The importance, the things you want to add, the things you want to, the value you want to add to the things or to the concepts. What are values? Equally, my dear friends, the time is running out. बलविंदर सिंह जी, मैंने 1.5 घंटा घट लगता है बहुत.
Sir, definitely next time we'll keep 2 sessions of this.
Yes. I am just covering the basics up to now, not going in the details. Okay. My dear friends, values are the standards, principles, values coming from within and values being practiced. Sincerity, always speaking truth. Okay. Somebody has written here. The values which are within us and values which we want to practice. जो हमारे अंदर है वो हम practice करें. These are the values, the principles. Okay, I'll go a little more details. And before that, why values? Values bring quality and meaning to life. Values give a person his identity and character. Without value, इसकी क्या, without value इसकी क्या अस्तित्व क्या है? हमारा अस्तित्व ही कोई नहीं है यदि हमारा identity नहीं है हमारी. One of the biggest crises which today's generation is facing, and some of us in our older generation also facing, are the identity crisis. Identity crisis तभी आते हैं जब उसके अंदर values नहीं होती, उसका character नहीं है कोई. What we are is more important than what we have. Value is the result of dedication. Okay. Krishna Nanda ji has written there. Values from within. मैंने कहा values within and values to be practiced. हमारे अंदर की values क्या हैं? Inside. वो हैं love, kindness, compassion, mercy, sympathy, empathy. These are not the absolute numbers. There are more than that. But then most prominent ones I have listed here. Within you, love, kindness, compassion. यदि आपके अंदर अपने fellow being के लिए compassion नहीं है, no values, my dear. Mercy, किसी से गलती होगी आपके पास उसको माफ करने की ताकत नहीं है. You don't have the power to forgive anyone. And we forsake. हम लोग पर मंदिर जाते हैं, गुरुद्वारा जाते हैं, जब मस्जिद जाते हैं, चर्च में जाते हैं, we ask him to forgive us. But when it comes to practice, we don't forgive anyone. Mercy नहीं है, sympathy नहीं है, empathy नहीं है. We cannot see how the other person must be feeling about it. These are the values. Love नहीं है, kindness नहीं है, must be imbibing. and values to be practiced. Some of these we have covered already: punctuality, discipline, obedience, behavior, conduct, and character. These are the values to be practiced. I am not going in the details because I want to come to the two very important things here: instrumental values and terminal values. You can define the values in different ways. One way of classifying the values is instrumental and terminal. Instrumental are which allows you, for example, the way and the destination. यहाँ से दिल्ली जाना है, Delhi is my destination, Delhi is my destination. The journey to Delhi is my journey. The instruments I use, the car or train or aeroplane, the road which I use, or the track which I use, or the air which I use, instrument. And then terminal, my ultimate destination. So values can be defined, classified into two categories: instrumental values and terminal values. Instrumental values are assertiveness, being helpful, dependability. These are not our destinations, but these help you in reaching those which I have listed just now, terminal values. Education and intellectual pursuits, hard work and achievement. These are instruments which will lead you to the ultimate terminal values. Obedience, open-mindedness, self-sufficiency, honesty, being well-mannered. These are instrumental values. And they will lead you to, these are very important. Unless we don't have the way and the vehicles, we never will be able to reach the destination. And what are the terminal values? Happiness. Let me know who doesn't want to be happy, who doesn't want to be satisfied, who doesn't want to be contented in the life. But you have to use the instrumental values to reach here. Knowledge and wisdom. Who doesn't want to be wise? Wisdom is the ultimate, the terminal value. Delhi पहुंच गए अब आप. Peace and harmony in the world. Why should we have an army? Defense. Defense against whom? दुश्मन. दुश्मन कौन है? पता नहीं. I am being defensive. मेरा दुश्मन ही कोई नहीं है. Why should I spend my energy, time, and resources on defense? I foresee a world without having any defense. कोई army नहीं हो country में. Why should I have a defense if I have no threat from Pakistan, China, and all that? All those resources, all that manpower, the money which I am pumping in the fighter aeroplanes, tanks, all the time and energy can go for the welfare of the human being. If only I learn the simple value of harmony, peace, equity की बात कर रहे थे अभी हम. Pride in accomplishment, prosperity. These are terminal values, my dear. सच्ची में मैं सोचता हूँ कि मेरा इंस्टीट्यूट में कोई दुश्मन नहीं है. Why should I be defensive? When Balwinder Singh ji comes to my office, I feel so enlightened and happy. We enjoy a very harmonious, and that should happen with everyone. If I am not having that feeling, I will be wasting my energy and time in my office, not preparing my slides, but in preparing my defense against Balwinder Singh ji. Balwinder Singh ji, I'm sorry, I'm using your name again and again. Because you are there, I can recognize you. Such a noble person. Terminal value पे पहुंच गए हम लोग. Lasting friendships. Terminal value है. Recognition from peers. Spiritual living, security. You feel secure. 9 out of 10 people are having this problem of insecurity in the homes, in the offices, in the country. I feel insecure. China, every day newspaper, TV में, newspapers में China से threat आ रही है, Pakistan से threat आ रही है, यहाँ से threat आ रही है, वहाँ से threat. क्या बात कर रहे हैं? कहाँ जा रहे हैं? That is why this ये वापस चलना शुरू हो गया. Okay, anyway, values to be optimized. These are the values to be optimized, my dear friends. Now, I was telling you, I will give you some more list of values. These are the important values. 3 C's. Charity. हर एक स्क्रिप्चर में लिखा है कि आपके जो भी आमदनी है उसमें से एटलीस्ट 10% शुड गो टू पीपल हु आर नॉट फॉर्चुनेट टू हैव ए रेगुलर इनकम. सांझ की बात करते हैं. चैरिटी, कंपैशन, courteous. 7 D's: devotion, dedication, discipline, determination, discrimination. Discrimination means I should be able to discern what is right or wrong. I take my decisions discriminately after valuing. Dignity and detachment. 7 F's: follow one's consciousness, conscience, face the devil, strong enough to face the devil which comes to our moral threats. Fight till end. Faith, forgiveness, fraternity, feeling of oneness with the team, and finish the game. Finish the game means having a sense of accomplishment. And 6 P's: purity, patience, peace, piety, punctuality, and perseverance. Then 6 R's: respect, reverence, refinement, reformation, renaissance, responsibility. 11 S: self-realization, self-confidence, self-discipline, self-satisfaction, self-sacrifice, self-composed, selflessness, sympathy, sincerity, serenity, and sweet talk. And my dear friends, I have given you some list. These are the values. Again, I'm telling you, this is not the endless list. These are the values which has been lived by people like Mahatma Buddha, Jesus Christ, Muhammad, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, Maryada Purushottam Ramchandra. That they lived all this, my dear. We have the examples. Why do we have अभी रामलीला आने वाली है या और चीजें आती हैं, फेस्टिवल्स आती हैं, so that we remember and see them as our role model. We have the role models already with us. Let us create those role models in us. Let us create those role models in our students. Let us create these role models everywhere if you want to have a good life. I like to just cover one thing in the end, then we'll close this session. My dear friends, I like to say present situation is that we focus more on the materiality and less on the spirituality. This is our present situation. Only material come. मेरे पास इतनी बड़ी कार आ जाए, मेरे पास इतना बड़ा मकान आ जाए, मेरे पास इतने सारे clothes आ जाए. We hardly do much on meditation and our inner consciousness. Saints कहते हैं they talk too much on spirituality, not on the material. मेरा अपना सोचना है there should be equilibrium. I require a house. I require a car. I require some clothes. I require food in my stomach. At the same time, I require this also. There should be an equilibrium. And my dear friends, the progress will take place only if you want to see the progress and the prosperity to happen anywhere. There has to be an equilibrium. And my dear friends, yoga is one of the ways by which this equilibrium of materiality and spirituality can be very easily practiced. Yoga means balance, union. A person starts to live when he can live outside of himself. Einstein ने ये कहा. Einstein was a great philosopher, my dear friends. To solve a problem, get out of the problem. Be a guest at your home. Nothing is going to be forever. It is not enough to be busy, so are the ants. The question is, what are we busy about? What are we busy about? My dear friends, there are so many things in my mind. I am not able to touch upon the two other topics of health and happiness, but they indirectly are covered in this. If you are living a conscientious life, you will be happy and healthy. Now, before I leave, I like to listen from you. If there is any question in your mind or any comment, anything you want to share. Shelley has written a question. How should we behave to a person who tried to hurt us again and again? Shall we forgive that person again and again? What is your guidance related to this? Shelley, as I told you, I am a Bible scholar also. In Bible, Jesus was giving his sermons, a famous sermon on what we call a Sermon on the Mount in Matthew. In New Testament, it is mentioned. Somebody asked the same question to Jesus. How many times should I forgive my brother? 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 times. Jesus answered, my dear son, not 7 times, 70 times 7. This is how I am seeking forgiveness from him. And there is a very beautiful parable in Bible and in many other scriptures. I have read it in different kind of parables. Coming to forgiveness, there was a person who was a landlord, and there was a person who has taken some amount from him. उसने कहा कि मेरे को आप क्षमा कर दीजिए, मेरे को थोड़ा सा मोहलत दे दीजिए. I want to repay your debt. Give me some time and forgive me for some time. उसको बड़ी दया आई उसके ऊपर. He was trying to reply your question, Shelley. उसने कहा कि चलो ठीक है, give him some time, and उसने let us say he was owning him 100 rupees. जैसे ही वो बाहर गया, जो पर्सन को उसने मर्सी दिखा के उसको माफ किया था, वो पर्सन के पास कोई और पर्सन था जिसने उससे लोन लिया था. Are you getting my point? Let us say if I have taken some loan from बलविंदर सिंह, and बलविंदर सिंह ने कहा कि प्रमोद आपके पास पैसे नहीं है, आपको माफ किया. अब मैं तो माफी ले ली मैंने. अब मेरे से किसी ने पैसे उधार लिए थे. As soon as I was forgiven, I came out, and then somebody has taken borrowed money from me. मैंने उसको forgive नहीं करा. मैंने कहा इसकी खाल उतार लो, इसके बच्चों को स्लेव बना दो, ताकि मैं अपना पैसा वसूल कर सकूं. Am I entitled for the forgiveness from Dr. Balvinder Singh? वो आपको माफ नहीं करेगा if you are not forgiven. You can always ask from him what you are able to give to others. Thank you. I think I am able to answer your question. But that does not mean that we should not have any rules and regulations. These are very subtle questions. Any other question in your mind, my dear friends? Balvinder ji, मैं थोड़ा नाम बड़ा frequently लेता है session which I am a person who like to believe in interacting with the audience. So I knew you very well. So I was interacting with you. Through you, I was interacting with my friends in the faculty.
Yes, sir. It's so nice of you for speaking so nice words for me repeatedly. Thank you.
No, you are. Believe me, you deserve all this. Believe
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I have so much of high regards for you. Anyway, my dear friends, अभी कोई और किसी का मन प्रश्न है तो अभी 1:35 हो गए हैं. We started the session, I think, 3 or 4 minutes late also because we were waiting for the participants to join in.
So, dear participants, kindly if you have any questions, you can write in the chat box.
In my courses, I say that I am very punctual in starting the session, but I have no time to close my sessions. This is what I learned from my teachers. They say कि हमारे लिए कोई closing time नहीं है. रात को 12 बजे भी आपके मन में प्रश्न है, हमारे को लिखिए, हमारे पास आइए next day morning, and we will try to find out the answers for this. Thank you very much, Balwinder Singh ji, for the opportunity provided to me. And if there are any questions, you please pass it on to Dr. Balwinder Singh Dhaliwal ji, and we will try to come back to you with the appropriate answers. And my dear friends, all the very best. Be very safe. This time we are passing through is little hard time, but this too will pass. This too will pass, and this too will pass very quickly with the cooperation and with the ethics and values for each other. This will pass very quickly. Be very safe, and God bless you all.
Thank you very much, sir, for your very interesting and motivating session. So the concepts of values and ethics which you discussed, these are very relevant nowadays. So these are very important points which we need to discuss. As you said, that we need to remind it frequently. So that is also very good advice from you, and it is very relevant nowadays. And also, sir, your way of delivering the lecture is admirable. So I always.
मैंने पहले ही कहता ਸੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਗੱਪਾਂ ਸ਼ੱਪਾਂ ਮਾਰਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਨਾ
Sir, it is very interesting and enjoyable session.
Time ਘੱਟ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਗੱਪਾਂ ਮਾਰਨ ਦਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਹਜੇ ਬੜਾ ਮਨ ਸੀਗਾ ਹੋਰ ਗੱਪਾਂ ਮਾਰਨ ਦਾ.
So definitely we'll have more sessions from you in the upcoming events. So
yes, we will talk someday about it.
Yeah. And I am sure that the guidance provided by you will definitely help the participants in their day-to-day activities in dealing the situations. So I thanks once again for your valuable time and for giving this session. And again, I thanks you for speaking very nice words for me also during the session.
Everyone, I like to see in everyone his image and likeness. सारे ओदे अंश हैं तो सारे.
So nice of you, sir. So nice of you for your time and efforts. Thank you very much for being the part of this activity. Thank you very much.